Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change icons and how to get custom icons on your iPhones. We're actually just going to be using an application from the App Store. It's a really great application that you guys are just able to save the icons directly from the app right to your photos. Then you can go ahead and create your own shortcut applications, which I'll show you guys quickly how to do in this video. Anyhow, all you have to do is go over to the App Store and click on the App Store. And you just want to search for Aesthetic Kit is the application we're going to be using in this video. So you search Aesthetic Kit, and it's just this one with the A on the very top of my screen. So you just want to go ahead and click on the application and download it. Once you have that done, you can go over to the application and open it up. And basically what this application is, it just has tons of different app icons and background combos on here that you guys can download for free. Now you can scroll down, there is the tons of these popular ones on this popular list right here. There really is something for everyone. There's so much different combinations that you guys can download, as you see here. And on the very top as well, you see there's a new tab to see the most recent ones that they just added in. I just looked at this maybe 15 minutes ago, and these ones were not here. So there is tons of people adding in fresh ones all the time. But yeah, anyways, you can just search for any ones that you like on here. Once you find one that you're interested in, though, you can just click on it, and then you could scroll through here, and it'll show you all the apps that it has included, which is really nice. There is other options as well. If you want to remix this theme, you do have to be a paid user for that. But if you want to remix it, it's actually pretty cool. You could change the background of this specific theme to whatever color you would like to. And then, of course, you can change the icon backgrounds as well. So it's very, very cool how you guys can just do this right in this application without having to create your own images or download images off the internet. So it's a really cool application to get started with. Anyhow, I'll just show you guys really quickly what to do when you want to start making the applications. So let's just say, for example, I want to download this blacked out one right here. It'll just be all these icons right here. All you have to do is literally just click on Save All Icons. And then it'll just take a second to save them. And then you also want to save the wallpaper as well. Once you guys have done that, you can exit out of here. And you guys will notice if you go over to your photos, you have all the icons, the transparent ones I just got. Very, very cool. Anyhow, to start using these applications and create the applications, all you want to do is you want to go to Shortcuts and open that up. Then you want to go to the top right corner where you see the plus icon. And then down to the very bottom where you see Search for Apps and Actions. And you just want to search for Open App. And then once you search for Open App, you want to click right beside where it says Open. Just click on Choose. And then you want to choose the application that you want to create. So you can start off with whatever you want to start off with. I will do music, for example. So I'll just search for the music app and click on Music. And then you just want to click on the circle with the 3 dots just under the word Next. And then here you just want to name it. This is not going to be the name of the application, just to point that out. So you can literally name it whatever you want. I'll name it YouTube, for example, or Yet. That sounds perfect to me. It doesn't really matter. But once you've done that, you can click on Add to Home Screen. And now where you see New Shortcut at the bottom, that is the name of the application. So you want to make sure you put the name of the application there. And then click on Return. And now right beside where you type that in, you want to click on the little square and click on Choose Photo. Now you want to find the icon for music or whatever application that you're making in your photos. So I'll just look through here and see where I can find it right here. Once you find it, you want to click on it and click on Choose. And then just click on Add. And that's going to add that to your home screen. You can go ahead and click on Done. Or it's telling me I already have one named that, so I can just change it up and then just click on Done. There we go. So now we can exit out of here, and now you see the application is on your screen. Now I will have to go over to my photos and turn on the background. Now you want to make sure that you put on the background that you see right away, just because if you don't add the background that you got from the application, it's not going to look properly, it's not going to match. So you want to make sure that you add in the wallpaper and stuff that you got from the application. So I'll go ahead and do that. So now that's on there, if we go over to the music app, you guys can see it looks transparent. That was the theme that we used. It's actually very, very cool. And of course, to create your own home screens, you just have to repeat the process, unfortunately, and create all the applications that you want to create. It is very easy, guys. Once you get used to it, you go through it very, very quickly. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to create your own home themes and how to get custom icons for free on the App Store on your iPhones. If this video was helpful to you and you guys like these kinds of videos, be sure to subscribe for more. I have daily content coming out all the time. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.